Belly fat is most prominent problem for every person because it looks bad and reflect adverse impact on one's personality. Everyone knows that an extensive amount of belly fat leads to various heart disease and diabetes. Therefore, if you want to live your healthy life, then lose belly fat fast is important in one night. There are various benefits of losing belly fat in the abdominal area. You can easily measure belly fat with simple home tips such as measuring tape is helpful for figuring out fat around your belly. If you feel a lot of excessive fats around your waist, then you should follow some appropriate tips to lose belly fat fast in one night with 7 simple tips. Moreover, an effective and efficient strategies will help you to tighten your belly fat in one night. So, viewers, our today topic is how to lose belly fat fast in one night with 7 simple tips. Before proceeding towards 7 important tips, lose belly fat fast in one night, please subscribe Health Info for more important videos. Our first tip is eliminate the intake of carbs to eat at night. If you want to lose belly fat strongly, then practically cut intake of carbs in before sleeping. A carb with low calories is not profitable to eradicate excessive fat amount. Low usage of carb will give you an instant result for the reduction of belly fat in one night. In addition, a limited carbs intake defines a way for the body shape maintenance around the belly, liver, and other organs. Most of the carb items include candies, sugar, and white bread. Our second tip is to avoid energy drinks and sugar sweetened drinks. Too much usage of sugar is unhealthy for body and excess amount of sugar puts harmful effect on body metabolic system. Sugar contains an acceptable amount of glucose and fructose. Glucose and fructose can easily be digested by the body system through liver. When a person eats extensive amount of sugar, then it's difficult for liver to digest easily. In addition, sugar-sweetened beverages are playing a significant role to increase the risk of obesity. Sugary drinks elimination is indispensable for a person to lose fat stomach strong in one night. However, fruits are very helpful to retain belly slim and small. Fruits are not included in sugar-sweetened beverages. Fruit fructose amount never leads to obesity in the body. Our third tip is fiber-rich foods before night sleeping time. Fiber food items play a crucial role to lose belly fat in one night. Fiber foods with high amount of energy calories such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and potatoes. It is the most recommended tips that excessive usage of fiber foods put an energetic result. Consequently, a person can easily lose belly fat in one night. It is important to acknowledge that every fiber is not suitable to retain fat stomach. However, a soluble fiber such as plant food, fruits, and vegetables ensure a remarkable difference in the results. Our fourth tip is protein and usage of coconut oil. Proteins are the most essential factor to lose belly fat in one night. A person who is committed to lose belly fat in one night, then adding protein is helpful to overcome belly fat in the abdominal area. Protein usage will not only reduce belly fat but also retain strength of smart body against fat. Food items which are containing rich amount of protein such as fish, eggs, nuts, dairy products, seafood and meat. These all are the most effective ways to maintain diet plan for night. In addition, a meal cooked in the coconut oil is the proven strategy to overcome belly fat in one night. Our fifth tip is simple exercise at evening time. Exercise is the evergreen and long lasting tip to lose belly fat fast in one night. If you want to live healthy with good potential of energy in your personality, then a periodic exercise is important. This can also help people to get rid of all kinds of disease which are linked with belly fat. It is very important to lose belly fat fast in one night without a committed exercise plan. A heavy abdominal obesity requires a comprehensive exercise strategy to overcome fat stomach. Home exercises are superior than gym exercises for all. Most feasible home exercises include walking, running, swimming, and skipping before go to bed. Our sixth important tip is yoga exercise with usage of coconut oil. A person with abdominal obesity performs yoga exercise with closing eyes daily before night. Yoga exercise brings mindfulness and fat burning for 20 to 25 minutes daily. It also mediates comfortable zone of life for a person to get rid of stress. In addition, massage of belly with coconut oil puts imperative result to lose belly fat in one night. However, a person tightens the belly area with soft piece of cloth before sleep. Seventh and last important tip is make an exercise and food plan for a night. A healthy food makes a perfect and personality oriented person. Those who eat fresh food with a plan always look energetic and enthusiastic for a qualitative work. A person without food plan in his life is just like a car with no destination. Therefore, it is important to figure out food plan which fits best to lose belly fat fast in one night. Firstly, you need to track food list with high amount of proteins. Secondly, enlisted all friendly plants, fruits and vegetables to intake at night. These all tips are really helpful to lose belly fat fast in one night with 7 simple tips. Please subscribe Health Info for more important and latest health tips.